I am Opoku Boateng Philip, a teacher at Suhum MA Experimental CJHS. Before I was reposted to this school, I was a teacher at Kriano DAGHS in the Ayeswano district. Seeing my pupils acquire knowledge through observation and experimentation is my utmost priority.
Mr. Philip Boateng, back at my basic education, made me enjoy science through his practical innovations. Even though I didn't like science, but through the practical work he did, made me love science more. And here I am today offering dietetics in the university.
Pupils learn best when we bring the thing closer to them. And so using the practical lesson was the best approach to help my pupils acquire knowledge. And so in their various groups, we bring out the materials to go through with the experiment. Due to my innovative ideas, with the help of other teachers, the school has won several awards in maths and science quiz, as well as Independence Day celebration organized by the Municipal Education Office and other NGOs. As a teacher in the community, I am a role model to my pupils and others.
You can trust Filippo, as we used to call him. We all have time as teachers, but his way of handling his teaching is extraordinary. He has time for preparing his TLM. You can beat him when it comes to classroom, when it is TLM visitation. We visit homes of individual people who are not regular at school to educate parents as to why they should allow their kids to be regular at school. In fact, I'm short of words to describe this young man. He's a great teacher.
Sometimes I am invited on the community radio to contribute on educational programs that will help the general public. Volunteerism is part of me. I therefore inculcate it into my pupils. So we move out and embark on communal labor to help the community.
He has passion for his work. You can trust him always. Teaching is his world.
I, Sophia S. Youngson, headmistress of Suhum MA Experimental Seats. Mr. Philip Opoku Boateng's commitment and dedication to his work and students is one that is extremely worthy of recommendation. Sir Filippo always goes the extra mile by organizing remedial classes for weaker students and makes use of interesting and engaging methods such as audiovisuals to improve teaching and learning. He is an exemplary leader.
My name is Eugene Yakuchi. I'm the Municipal Science and Mathematics Coordinator. And in fact, I was invited to come and observe this particular lesson here today. I did it necessary because it is an activity that we always do. I've seen them performing this particular session, this digestion in human, and then this practical activity. It's not observed in all our schools, unfortunately, except that it's only one or few of them who actually come up with some of these innovations.
Sir Opoku Boateng Philip, I normally call him Sir Phil. He's a resourceful teacher. He accompanies most of his lessons, if not all, with practical work to facilitate teaching and learning of his subjects, especially for science.
The definition of science is says that it's a process of acquiring knowledge through observation and experimentation. And so what I do is each and every time that I handle my lesson, I make sure I bring to the doorstep of the children. Practical lesson always foster effective understanding. And so I never go away without my practical lesson.
We appreciate what you have done for us. We say God bless you.